So guys, I'm gonna be talking about CDT is dying. Thanks to Merge CDT for this. So clearly CDT is dying. It have like 5k players now. But why it have lack of updates? You may ask? Well, totally about the new map because the devs are working on it and they didn't focus on the update of their main game. So, yeah, they're just working on the new map. Because the community hates it because it didn't look like the leaks from it shown. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay for me. It's not too good. It's not that bad though. I mean, it's alright. But, yeah. It's alright for me. I want to see it again because this map is just too like kinda lame actually, but it brings nostalgia. Yeah, this brings or the older map, like the first ever map. They shouldn't bring that back because if they reverted to this map, they should bring the older map back. So maybe they will back. I don't know, but I mean this map is just alright for us, but it's kind of boring now cause you can't explore new places. Like I know new players don't know where the parts is, but like OG players, they just get bored of game, they just quit and they just go play other games such as like Driving Empire or like Dealership Tycoon. Yeah, they have more updates than CDT, which players actually quitting now. Actually quitting. Like saying, I'ma leave this game. Who wants free car? I'm quitting CDT for life. Yeah. It's kinda boring now though. Like I seem like pretty people. I mean, I see almost like rich people, but it's always just me like have the most money and miles. I just only quite see people that have like top of me. So it's just like me always when I join a server and yeah. And I'm gonna talk about if they like the new map. If the community likes the new map, well, I think another universe has that. Like CDT and the community like the new map and they just like quickly just said, wow, this map is a banger. Wow, thanks to CDT devs. What if an alternate I don't know. If they like the new map, what will happen? I think there will be much update, I guess. Or yeah. So yeah. If they actually like the community, I mean that's the new map is not a compliment. I still can't remember some stuff, but I remember a little bit of stuff. Like I don't know gas stations. Like there's like a lot of gas stations and too much secrets. I mean I like the secrets. It's like a Easter hunt. Like yeah, it's not April. April Fools. Yeah, not that. So yeah, that's all for today and goodbye. See you tomorrow. Wait. I forgot to stop the record.